Hold on for a second and I want you to stop for a moment and take a look at this token, which is Daytona Finance, a Tony token. Just look at the price of this token. 27 cents per token is the value of the token. This is a pulse chain based DeFi protocol. And now, what if I tell you you can earn this token absolutely free of cost by doing a little effort? Yes, this is the video all about Tony token. So welcome to Katos Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I'm going to discuss Daytona Finance, a protocol which is dedicated to the Pulse Chain network. Now I have covered Pulse Chain in detail on my YouTube channel. You can see a dedicated playlist on Pulse Chain covering all the videos that you need to learn about Pulse Chain network, how to import token, how to connect your Ledger wallet, how to trade, and even farming. So if you want to check out those videos, remember to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and remember to go to the playlist on the main page and you will find all the videos related to Pulse Chain. And if you want to be a step ahead in the race of getting right information at the right time and make huge profit, you must join the community that is on Telegram. Just click on the link below and join our community. You are always welcome. So let's get started and discuss what is Daytona Finance. So this is the website of Daytona Finance. You can see right over here. Now I'm going to take you through step by step how you can connect the wallet, how you can import Pulse Chain network on MetaMask and then earn free Tony tokens. So let's get started and let's talk about Daytona Finance. So this is farm and staking protocol on the Pulse Chain. You can see, you can click on the trade option right over here, and once you click the trade option, you can see the option of exchange and liquidity. If you click on exchange, it will take you through the default DeFi app of Pulse Chain, which is PulseX. Now I need to connect my wallet, and to do that, let me show you first here. If you are a newbie, all you need to do is open your MetaMask. So once you open your MetaMask, and let's say your wallet is new, you will see just Ethereum mainnet here and no other Pulse Chain network. To do that, it is very easy. So let me refresh this app.pulsex.com. So I am showing you all the steps one by one. So even if you are new, you will be able to connect to Pulse Chain on your wallet and also connect to Daytona Finance. So watch this video completely because you are going to learn more than earning free Tony tokens. You are going to learn how to master Pulse Chain network. So it is asking me to switch to Pulse Chain network by default because my wallet doesn't have Pulse Chain network added to it. So I need to click on switch to Pulse Chain. Once I do it, it will ask me to switch network in the wallet. So I need to open the wallet, which is right over here, and once I open it, I have to give it the permission. So this is the wallet, and now I will click on switch network in wallet. So once I click it, it will open up a window. So this is for the newbies. If you are on the pro level, you can skip this part and move on to the Tony token. So click on approve, and let me move it here. So when I click on approve, it will automatically switch my wallet from Ethereum to Pulse Chain and make it a default wallet for the time being. So now the Pulse Chain wallet has been added on my MetaMask. You can see it clearly. Let the wallet open. So you can see this is the Pulse Chain wallet I have. I have 2500 PLS token which I claimed for free. The link is there above. You can watch the video how I claimed that for free. And if you want such details of claiming free tokens including airdrops, you must subscribe to my channel because the golden nuggets are shared every single day, guys. That's why I'm telling you, join the Telegram and subscribe to my channel. Now let's go back and let's talk about Daytona Finance. So once I go to Daytona Finance, so I'm back to Daytona Finance, and here there are two options: farms and pools. So if you want to learn about farming, how to farm your tokens, there is a separate video which I have created. You need to click on the link in the description or click on the link above, and moreover you can also open this playlist, play all, and you will find all the details related to Pulse Chain products and Pulse Chain app, and all your queries will be answered through this playlist. You can see the video is right over here of earning Pulse Chain PLS yield farming. So this is what you need to watch. So now let's go back and let's go to the pool option. So this is where you can earn free Toni token. So compared to farms where you need 2 tokens, in the pool option you need just 1 token to earn a Toni token. So that is the beauty of it. You can stake tokens to earn Toni tokens. So that's the theme of it. I can stake PLSX token, I can stake Zen token, I can stake Hex, INC, more, WPLS, WETH and PLSL tokens. So these are the tokens I can stake. Of course, the more are added to the list recently. But again, if you have any of such tokens, you can earn free Toni token, and that's why Toni token is of utmost value, because it is 27 cents at the moment, and you can stake any of these token to earn free Toni tokens. All you need to do, click on approve contract, and once you click on approve contract, it will take the information from your wallet whether or not you are holding those tokens. In my case, I am holding PLS token, not PLSX token, so it will ask me to add PLSX token. Once I have PLSX token, which is the native token of PulseX protocol, it will automatically stakes my token. I need to click how many tokens I want to stake, and then I need to click on harvest. Once I do it, in return I will be receiving Toni token for staking my PLSX token. So that's how you can earn free Toni token, by staking any of these tokens. So I will be doing it by staking my PLSX token, which I am going to buy shortly. So this is a quick video for you guys how you can earn from Toni token, because the value is so high at the moment. It is like waving up, it is going up and down and up and down, so which means it is on a bull trend right now, and we can see more such movements of this token. Maybe it can hit $1 sometime soon. But remember, nothing here is financial advice. Everything I share is for knowledge and for you, so that you can make money in the best and shortest time possible. So that's about Daytona Finance. Remember, you need to have any of this token to earn free Toni tokens. Just take it, then harvest it, click on this harvest, and you will get free Toni tokens. Check that out every day, every 1 or 2 days. For details, you can also go to this info option. You can see 2 options here. One is PulseX and Dex Screener. Once you click Dex Screener, it will take you through this page, and here it will show you the current value of Toni token compared to USDC. So this is the accurate price. Moreover, you can go to CoinGecko and check the price of this token, but I prefer to go to this Dex Screener, which will give you exact price of Toni token by Daytona. So that's how you can earn this token. Moreover, you can just go to more and click the GitHub if you want to know the codes and about the documentation of this project. So that's how easily you can earn by staking any token, earn Toni token. And similarly, I share videos like airdrops, earning free token, claiming free PLS token. You just saw my wallet. I earned 2500 PLS token by doing nothing, by claiming it just for free and just by doing my research. So that's about the video. Do watch the video shared on the end screen. These are all PulseChain video that can mint you money. So I see you in the next video. Till then, take care, subscribe, and remember to join the Telegram community. Thank you.